Finally, I passed the Profen challenge. In this video, I will show you how I passed, and I simply use one indicator. At the end of this video, I will give you the indicator. This is super simple. Just let's do it on the chart. So first of all, you need to open MetaTrader 4. For this indicator, you need MetaTrader 4. As you can see, I use CAD CHF. This indicator will work in any currencies. For example, you can use it on gold or any others. And we need to work on 5 minutes time frame. This will be very important. So this will be the indicator. After adding on your MetaTrader, you can add it simply from File, Open Data Folder, and from here you in MQL4, and that's it. In indicator you can add it here. So let's do it on MetaTrader again, and simply double click on it and add it in your MetaTrader. So how it works? It's super simple. As you can see, this is a do not trade zone. First of all, I want to tell you this indicator, how it works. It's work based on the price saturation, the volume of sellers and buyers. When the buyers reach to the saturation, so the price, the indicator will gives you signal for buy. This is the number that you can see. When this indicator reached near to the 10, and here near to -10, you have to open buy position. Near to the 10, you have to open sell position. So this is very simple. As you can see here, it was near to 10, we can open sell position. Again here, it was near, no, this is not good position. Here, as you can see, it was near to 10, we can open sell position. My strategy was like this. When this indicator passed the green line and it reached to near to 10, I opened sell position. And when this one reached to 2, I closed the sell position. So from here to here, very simple and very short position. So let's go to another one, this one. This one near to 7, no, it was not good. So this one near to 10, as you can see, we can open buy position. Near to -10 it was. So till 2, so exactly here, 2 candle only, and close the position. What will be the best way? My strategy was working on 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 30 minutes time frame. So first of all, I will go to 30 minutes. After that, I will look for the position when it reached near to -10. For example, here. So I will looking for here, if I want to show you exactly here, this is exactly near to 10. In this position, I will look for buy. Let's show you exactly here. So again, I will go to 15 minutes time frame. I will look for it. So here, as you can see, I have to go a little more like here. Exactly, it was near to 10. So again, my last trigger will be in 5 minutes time frame. When it's reached to 10, I will look for sell position. As you can see here, specifically, there was no sign for me to buy. Just take care of it. Here it was 7. So this place, I will not open buy position because 5 minutes time frame will not give me the proper signal to open position. But you have to take care about it. 30 minutes, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes. This will be our trigger. In 30 minutes and 15 minutes, we will look for an area, and in 5 minutes, we will look for a trigger to open position. This was the strategy that I use for trading. So the drawdown will be extremely low, and you do not need to take care about your drawdown. You will open position, and in 2 or 3 candle, you will close it. Should we do for the stop loss? When you open any position, for example, you will open position here. Now it's reached to 10. When it's past the 10 and reached to 11, for example, or 12, you must close your position because it means the price wants to go down. Or here in the buy position, when it's reached to 10 and after that past the 10, so it means the price wants to reach to lower. Here, as you can see, it was a huge drop, but the indicator does not show you any proper signal. But here, exactly here, it was 10. So we will open position. After 2 or 3 candle, it passed here and it goes up. So we can close the position here exactly. Here we can close the position. So this strategy is very simple. You just need to find the exact position for buy and sell and easily open your position. So what I did for my prop firm challenge, first of all, I use a funded next prop firm challenge and I register for 100k challenges. The good thing about this indicator is that if you use this indicator, you can simply open position with a small size because you can open multiple trades per day. You will see a lot of trades position, a lot of trade entry by this indicator per day because it will work in 5 minutes time frame and you will see so many triggers. So 0.1 for 100k challenges, it was a great option for me, and after 15 days I passed the challenge and I already funded in prop firm challenge. So it is simple. If you want to use this indicator, you can click on the link below and download it simply. And if you have any question, just write in the comment. I'm hosting a free webinar and I will explain about top 3 newest strategy in forex trading, and we will trade live in this webinar. Do not lose this webinar. If you want to join to this free webinar, just click on the link below. As always, take care of your trading to the next level.